Everybody fucking jump!
Hey everybody, welcome back to the Ozone. It's shoe time. Get you guys a little bit of box action. I'm trying to break up all the new releases with a couple of old releases. This shoe reads the Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG Black, White, and Game Raw, aka the Jordan 1 Royal Toes. Got this shoe a while ago. Really like these. I wear them a lot. Cut this like that. The materials on this shoe are absolutely outstanding even after years of use. I think this shoe might have came out in 2020. If I'm getting it wrong, I apologize, but I've wore it tons of times since I bought it. Got a staring wearing pair, plus an extra, because I rented a pair, just kept the rental pair. Because like I said, I'm a Jordan 1 guy, so materials on this shoe, like I said, are all outstanding because they lasted the test of time. You always should be happy with a shoe that lasts. Get you guys some light action so we can get through this shoe. See, toe box is a little bit wrinkly. Like I said, I wore them. I'll put my feet in the toe protector. It doesn't matter. It's got a little tongue action. That blue, raw blue toe box, black mud guard, white background to the back, black Nike swoosh, black back, blue upper on the rear, white breakup, white Jordan logo on the black background, same royal blue bottom of the shoe. Just all around good Jordan 1 in my opinion. Like I said, one of my favorite Jordan 1s. Currently right now it's in my lineup. If I have to go to the store or just outside, I'll probably throw in a pair of these because like I said, you can match these with just about anything with the blue, the black, and the white being in the shoe. I'll give you guys a look at the shoe, what it's going to look like when it's on your foot. You know what shoes you guys are going to see in the next video. Let me know what shoes you guys are buying. Everybody stay safe. Have a nice day.
Everybody fucking jump!